me, the fear that I experience is not judgment, and I don't even feel afraid in my body around opening up the conversation. It's really just a willingness to even bring it up. That's all I feel. I just feel no willingness to say, hey, let's talk about Purium. And I realized that some of my family members, my mom and my uncle, have both died before I was able to share Purium with them. For my mom, I knew about Purium, but I didn't even have it yet myself. For my uncle, I was sitting on it because he was in the process of dying. And I didn't want to interrupt the process of that family with sales. And I realized that when I'm making a list of my closest friends and family, how many of these people am I willing to allow to die before I give them the opportunity to feel as good in my body as I feel? And so whether there's judgment from them or there's anything from them, I know that any negative response that they give has to do with areas of their own life that they need love, support, or recognition. And so, we were talking about Allison feeling judged by, I don't know who it was, an aunt or mother-in-law or mom, or I can't remember, but judged for breastfeeding her baby because of Allison's previous habits, health habits. This is going to be bad for your baby. And it's like, no matter what somebody is judging, there's a fear in there. If somebody has a negative judgment, there's a fear. And if you can speak to appreciating the positive side of why they have that fear, then you're going to completely annihilate the judgment, the rejection, whatever the thing that's causing distance, separation, or the wall of no. You're just going to eliminate that thing like this. So it's like, hey, you're a bad mom for breastfeeding your baby when you used to drink and have all these bad habits, blah, blah, blah. And it's like, you don't defend yourself. You say, what I really appreciate about you is I know how much you care about my son. And obviously, my son is the most important thing to me in the world. And this is what I'm up to in order to give him the best life that I possibly can. And I'm doing my best. And I would love to have your support. And even if you don't want to do the things that I'm doing, I would love for you to know that I want the best for my son and to be able to recognize that someday. Whatever that judgment or negativity or rejection is, you just get under it and understand what they might be afraid of. They're like, no, I don't have enough time. No, I don't have enough money. No, this is another MLM. Hey, what I really appreciate about you is your personal integrity. I would never want to share something with you that was going to violate your integrity. All I'm doing here with you, no matter what the business structure is sharing with you how amazing these foods have been for me. And that's the thing that I want for you. I want you to feel as amazing, or at least have the opportunity to choose if feeling good in your body is really worth it to you in this life. And if not, that's fine. But I'd love to share this with you. So no matter what the negative response is, you can always turn it into the deepest heartfelt connection available if you can listen behind the response and not feel the need to defend yourself, which I agree, it's really fucking hard when it's somebody that knows you well and someone that you do really care about. But I think that's why I think that's why, this is assignment is what turns people into a professional network marketer, a professional Purium advocate, ambassador. Like, we're talking about crown stuff. There's no crowns that don't have this down. I welcome love.